Julio sandwich and myself a sandwich. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, Brandon. That's a good call. I should probably stretch, but I'm not going to.
Are you working out for school?
Dude, yeah, if I don't work out, I get kicked.
But you didn't bother working out for having it?
No, sir. Well, it wasn't enforced. That's probably like a good reason. Yeah, well, I don't know what to tell you. Well, I put mayonnaise on my sandwich yesterday. I think I'm just gonna double up on hummus instead. Is mayonnaise an instrument?
And guess what, baby? And guess what, baby? And guess what, baby? And guess what, baby?
Put 8. Dang. That's the sandwich. Sheesh. Looks kind of nice.
So bad.
First run of the day. Here we go. Dude, this is so nice.
Yeah.
It's so nice. Surprised there's not more people now.
Yeah, this is empty. The other runs are pretty cool. This one's empty.
We can just lap this. Nope. You had it the first time. Miss. Oh, fuck.
Aim for the GoPro. I'm gonna aim for Grace because I've been missing.
Yeah, you're missing. Oh. You got me. That was on target. Oh, fuck. Got it. Brandon. Well, easy money. Brandon is our winner. It's lunchtime.
Yeah.
Did you open it?
Yeah, I opened it already.
This is how my sandwich resulted in after being in my pocket the entire day.
Come on. You gotta make sure it doesn't make a big mess. Nothing but the best customer service.
Yeah? Or do you have another one? No more.
Not for you.
Shit.
No, I'm just kidding.
Damn. That's messed up.
You want one of these? You want a Kolsch or you want a...
That one.
The Mexican?
The Mexican one.
I don't know, but it's made in Colorado though. I don't know how good that.
That's fine.
Do you think they have Mexican?
Dude, this is so fucked up.
Not spicy.
Nice. It's chill.
The chips are no longer crunchy.
That's kind of expected, honestly.
Well,
Here you go, King.
it's not gonna eat itself.
It's like a panini.
Yeah.
It's just pressed.
Yeah.
You know the peppers aren't actually
Not grilled either.
Yeah.
I don't want your wiener.
Hey, does it look like it's a wobbly?
You're not doing it right.
It's short. Listen, I only got so much to work with.
Alright.
Brandon broke mine in half.
True. Oh! Oh, did they both fall? You're going slow. Last run of the day, I believe. I'm tired. So. see anything.
He loves his life, man.
Bro, I need to be able to see. What do you mean?
Dean also loves complaining.
And milk.
And milk.
Pour up. Please. It's a good
Yeah.
pour.
Alright, go on, right?
19. I'll let you go first.
Me?
Yeah.
18.
It's good form. And this is how you make Oreo soup.
And now put the Oreos in.
It just keeps coming. What the fuck?
What? Huh? What it was doing,
You put 2 in there?
No, that's just the other rice. I was a hero today.
Oh, yeah? Oh, dude, I ran into a girl.
Hey, so did Julio. Or she ran into him.
No, this like 4-year-old was learning how to ski. She's like going like this, and I'm trying to get by this chick.
So you're a dick just like the rest of the people in Austin?
No.
What?
Fucking, I tried to get around her, and she just kept going straight. She fucking hit me.
If she was just going straight.
No, dude, I was trying to go around her, but she couldn't, like, I thought I was going fast enough. She just fucking ran into me.
Wait, she fell
Like
over.
from the side?
And then
She hit the back of my thing, and I like had to like stop her from like falling. Because if she would have fallen, she would have fallen down the fucking slopes. Shoo! Just like that. She would have made that
My
noise.
worst fear too.
She would have made that
I took
noise.
like the cat tracks. I'm always like.
She would have made that noise too.
Where were we?
They butter.
Clarify.
Huh? I don't know. Right over my head.
Huh?
Let's hear it. What do you got?
Dude, let's go.
You gotta think.
I got my number 1 pick got vetoed. I think carrots are up there.
Okay. Carrots?
I think chickpeas are also up there.
Because of hummus.
I think so. Hummus and falafels.
Yeah.
I like kale.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's probably like my favorite leafy green.
Okay.
No, that's my favorite like hardy green.
Party green?
Hardy?
The
Hardy?
green that you bring to parties?
Yeah. Hearty green, and then leafy green. Maybe arugula.
Huh?
Arugula?
Well, they're doing a leafy green and a hardy green.
Interesting choices.
Hardy greens are the ones that they don't taste very good raw, but whenever you cook them, like, they keep their shape.
Okay, I see.
Like kale, like spinach.
Spinach is good.
Spinach doesn't keep its shape.
That's true.
I think spinach is my favorite.
Spinach?
Big spinach guy.
Okay.
You know what underrated artichokes?
Ooh. The
Brussels sprouts pretty good.
Brussels sprouts, you're right. I think Brussels sprouts is for me. It's like mini cabbage.
Nope.
Brussels sprouts?
It's cooked right though.
These gotta be cooked right.
Yeah.
What?
What did you
Sauce.
I feel like it's a lot of effort for a very little portion.
You can get them in a jar.
So true. Artichoke hearts or artichoke like the
Do
leaves?
you eat the rest of the artichoke?
Well, the leaves
the-
have like a little bit
If you
at the
steam
end.
it, we would steam it and
And we
just
devoured
melt
this
butter
hummus.
into
Holy
it.
fuck.
I
Okay.
would fill it with butter.
basically-
and then barely eat
Basically,
the-
you like butter.
I
Yeah, yeah, I
basically
think,
like
yeah.
butter.
Butter's good.
I got gifted butter for Christmas one year, but I was 12.
Hell yeah.
Like special butter or just
No,
It's
just,
not butter.
No, it was. I can't believe it's not butter.
Oh my
it was
God.
A big tub of it.
Why?
Like a troll gift or what?
No, it was like a real gift for my cousins because
Hell yeah.
I used to like eat sticks of butter when I was younger.
Grace! Hello?
not a whole stick, just like
Oh, just to have a
Yeah.
stick.
Yeah.
It's like cookie dough. You just kind of
Pretty
eat a
much.
piece of it.
Basically,
I
dude.
don't eat cookie dough either.
well, that's unfortunate.
I eat cookie
Bro,
dough.
some,
We got
there's
a
some,
whole-
there's
we
some
got
in
a
the tub, in the fridge, not the tub.
In the tub? There's some in the tub in the front.
Maybe we could put some in the hot tub if you wanted to. Are you wearing JT's robe? Bro, wear it, dude. It feels nice. Robes are nice.
Okay.
Alright, don't.
I saw it hanging and I was like, who used the bathroom here? But now it makes sense for that.
We all used robes yesterday. It was nice.
But we only had 4 and I didn't get to wear one.
Yeah, that's
So
tough.
we didn't all use them.
We didn't all use
Yes.
bro.
Do they have a key?
What?
But do they have a key? Do I need to bring a key?
I have one.
Okay, cool.
Or
Easy
put it
money.
in here. 'Cause
Easy money. You don't need water, Brandon.
I had a really bad headache most of the evening last night.
I mean, I just need.
Not a really bad headache. I just had a bad headache.
sometimes, Brandon, you just bear me.
He's taking a nap, he said.
Yeah, he's taking a nap.
Fraud? He's such a fraud. Oh,
That's
Really?
good now.
is that bad? Our dinner spot, my time.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.